Greetings and introduction sentences. Basic. How are you? Advanced. How have you been? Basic. I'm fine. Advanced. I'm doing well, thank you. Basic. Nice to meet you. Advanced. It's a pleasure to meet you. Basic. What's your name? Advanced. May I know your name? Basic. Where are you from? Advanced. Could you tell me where you're from? Daily routine sentences. Basic. I wake up early. Advanced. I usually get up at the crack of dawn. Basic. I eat breakfast. Advanced. I grab a quick bite in the morning. Basic. I go to work. Advanced. I head to the office. Basic. I take a break. Advanced. I step away for a short break. Basic. I go to bed at 10 p.m. Advanced. I usually turn in around 10 p.m. Asking questions sentences. Basic. Can you help me? Advanced. Would you mind helping me? Basic. Where is the bus stop? Advanced. Could you point me to the nearest bus stop? Basic. What time is it? Advanced. Could you let me know the time? Basic. Can I have some water? Advanced. May I please have a glass of water? Basic. Is this your bag? Advanced. Does this bag belong to you? Expressing needs sentences. Basic. I need help. Advanced. I could use some assistance. Basic. I'm tired. Advanced. I'm feeling a bit drained. Basic. I'm hungry. Advanced. I could use a bite to eat. Basic. I want to go home. Advanced. I'd like to head home now. Basic. Please wait a minute. Advanced. Could you hold on for a moment? Expressing feelings sentences. Basic. I'm happy. Advanced. I'm feeling overjoyed. Basic. I'm sad. Advanced. I'm feeling a bit down. Basic. I'm scared. Advanced. I feel a bit uneasy. Basic. I'm surprised. Advanced. I'm taken aback. Basic. I'm angry. Advanced. I'm a bit upset. Giving opinion sentences. Basic. I think this is good. Advanced. I believe this is excellent. Basic. I don't like it. Advanced. I'm not a fan of it. Basic. This is bad. Advanced. This could be improved. Basic. I like the movie. Advanced. I thoroughly enjoyed the film. Basic. It's okay. Advanced. It's fairly decent. Making planned sentences. Basic. Let's meet tomorrow. Advanced. Shall we catch up tomorrow? Basic. I will call you later. Advanced. I'll get in touch with you later. Basic. What should we do? Advanced. What do you suggest we do? Basic. Can we go now? Advanced. Is it possible to leave now? Basic. Let's go out. Advanced. How about going out? Apologies and thanks sentences. Basic. I'm sorry. Advanced. I sincerely apologize. Basic. Thank you. Advanced. I truly appreciate it. Basic. It's okay. Advanced. No worries at all. Basic. Don't worry. Advanced. There's no need to worry. Basic. You're welcome. Advanced. It's my pleasure.